Once you've received an offer, putting in a counter offer or a vendor price is very simple. Simply input the price that the vendor is willing to accept and put your password in. Nominate the amount of time you'll give the buyer to respond and place the counter offer button. That will ask you to confirm that price. Once you do that, that will be instantly transmitted to all screens, and you'll see at the bottom with the offer history that the counter offer shows up on both screens with a home icon to indicate that has come from the agent.